What's up guys, you're watching the Seed Show, and if you are new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is E-8200002E. The credit card on the file is not available. So this is a credit card information error. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we are at the screen. So here we go to settings here and account management. Simply then go to the account information, and here we are at the wallet. You just go to the wallet settings. Here we are, and then you just check. Here's the payment method. Go to the payment method, transaction history, purchase settings. You just turn it off. Purchase password and payment methods. Here we are. Please wait. The payment methods. And here you get the credit card information. You can add it, the credit card information, add a mobile number, and add a PayPal account. You can add it. Here you can add the credit card information, and then you must go back to check the address. Sometimes your credit card information is expired, or sometimes you're having a problem with your address. Your PSN account from the different region, but your credit card information have it from the different region. So you must have the same region PSN account and your credit card information. Look at that. If you have from the UK, then you must have the credit card information from the UK. It will be work. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.